Hi everybody, my name is Antonio Stevens and I am here at Pasig for the Spartan Race.
I just love the energy here.
It was super great seeing how it was organized. I'm just so glad that I was able to make it through without getting injured.
So tired, drained, but it was worth it.
And so for me, durability is all about blocking that fear that you can't do it and not giving up, because you'd be surprised at how you can actually achieve the things you think you can't do.
You've got to be 100% every single time.
Same with me, never giving up, pushing beyond your limits, because you will never know what you cannot do unless you start.
Trying whatever scares you. There's a lot of things that you can achieve by not giving up.
My message to you guys is to find a phone that can keep up with you, because I'm using right now Redmi Note 15, because every time that you need a shot, of course, you need documentation, because who will believe you if you don't have photos, if you don't have videos, right? And what better way to capture videos than with a Redmi Note 15?